somebody's house. This was somebody's house that I know. But he doesn't live here on this coast anymore. And it's so darn dark, I'm sure you can't. Now we're gonna watch some airplanes come in, Johnny. Actually, John, as you can see, this is an exceptionally clear night off the coast of. I'm actually standing right in front of a place here. You can see all the way out to Point Doom, way out there. Can you believe that? It's pretty clear. I know you can't see really, any. It's just a clear night. So let me swing around to my neck of the forest. That's the South Bay down there. Okay, twinkling as you can see, meaning that there's certainly a share of low smog content. I just realized what I should do is just pan from your house, which is like right about there, and just go this way in case like in a year like this whole thing was totally different or something like that. Okay, now we're going towards Manhattan Beach. I only have this video camera for like 24 hours, so I figured since I rented it, I'm just gonna like tape a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off now, but I just thought what we'll do next is just forget the airplanes and just go straight to Manhattan Beach and see if I can catch some people at bars and stuff like that, just while driving by. That way you'll get a good idea. Good idea of the nightlife around here. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the camera now. Look, Johnny, we're closer. We're getting past Scatterhood Steam Plant here. And we can just get these cars out of my way here. Officer. Sure he doesn't come back. Yeah, we're driving into Manhattan Beach. There it is. This is fun, man. As you can actually see, it's amazing. My old video camera, you wouldn't be able to see all this. Oops, and slow down to 30 miles an hour here. And now I'll just really basically keep the camera on because you can see coming into, going over the ridge here, which is an exciting ridge. And now we're sliding into what I would call area where many people congregate for catnips. Nightcaps, I mean. Okay, check it out. Okay, here's. What's this called? Sharkies. Oh, look at all the girls. Yeah. Check this out. Check this out. You're not gonna believe this. Oh, check out those girls. Check it out. Awesome, man. And I gotta get our green light here, so I should really pay attention. It's totally legal what I'm doing. Okay, now we're going to Ponchos. There's Ponchos. There's OB's. There's Harrio's. Whoa, and now there's a little bar here. Pool table and stuff. Now, whoa, okay, just had to flip the gear there for a second. Now we're going into the area, what I like to call, I bet you're seeing a lot of the dashboard, but I really can't watch through the camera. This is what I like to call the area where Getting close to where I live. Okay. I know this is exciting. It's sort of funny though. This is part of the tape where you pretty much fast forward through this, but I figured why not keep it on the whole time. Got plenty of battery juice. Alright, so here's Marine. See that light up there? That's Marine Avenue. And to the right is what? Somewhere near Why might just whoa, slide down there. And then we come onto the intersection. Okay, now I'm going to shut it off just for a little bit so we can get to the next set of bars. Okay, now we're coming into the other place. Let me turn down that. Now this is the other part. Christmas lights around. Trick or treat! Okay, so now we'll do like a little circle here. Oh look, it's not very crowded. Oh look at that girl, check it out. Man, check this out. Okay, now we're going to yet another bar. La-dee-dee-dee. It's not very crowded. It's funny because sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. It's only 10:49, as you well know from my. Oh my God! Check it out! Check it out! Beautiful, beautiful. Cute as the word. And then there's Obese. I mean H2O. Basically, there's a whole lot of, oh, there's more. Anyways, it doesn't matter, because basically, you've seen a lot of it, dude. There's Starbucks. There's, what do you call it? Pantry, whatever that's called. The kettle. And, right in front of me is the pier. Now, well, here's a bunch of other bars right down by the pier here. There's sunsets. But the thing is, like, it's very uncrowded. They keep on saying that, I know. But it's true. Oh, there's Monster. It's Critters. Okay, now we're in Hermosa. This is a lot of bars along here. Theater. A bank. And this is down by the pier here. There's people. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Check this out. Bar City down here. These are a little bit tougher. No. Lighthouse. Anyways, so it's a bunch of places. Whoa, construction. That's the lighthouse. Check this out. Check it out. Okay, and there's like the Comedy Magic Club down there. You probably remember from being here. Now I'm at the intersection. Hey, check it out. Say hi! Hey, buddy, say hi to New York! Oh, great! All right. So that's the end of that.
to myself out here and just standing on the boardwalk, which we're looking south, like towards your old place. There's the pier, the water. Palos Verdes is a big hill right there. And then I'll just skip on the block here and spin around. There's the other side, right? Just looking up, I'm still standing on the boardwalk, just straight up. Small town-ish. This is the Mancharovo river that flows into Manhattan. It's actually a phantom channel that spills off of Colorado every 12 years or so. It takes on its own life. deli near my house.
Yeah. Where's all the people? I don't know, but it's so hot. I don't know how many people want to play. You can sure see. We have our bikes on the back.
Interesting. Nice. Yeah. So here's the feed.
Move our stuff down. Our stuff is great. We're thirsty.
Bueno, mira, pues fue igual.
Just knock off.